Hello and welcome to this video about the Marantz CD-15F. The reason I started from the back is that, as you can see, there's no front, but the front is impressive, very heavy. I mean, this is an extraordinary player and heavier than anything else, and built probably better than all of them. This only came in for a service. I haven't been able to check if it works because the clamp wouldn't go that far, and I sort of promised the owner, which is a collector from Melbourne, that I'll do his services for free because he sends me stuff from Melbourne that I pick up only, and but I have to disappoint him because it's just too much work to do it for free. You know, to do a service, to replace the belts here, you have to remove the side panel. To do that, you have to remove the front panel, because the side panels, you see the little tabs there? So those tabs were here, but even there's one there that I had to straighten up, and I had to remove large part of the rear panel screws just to free that side panel to get access. So it's absolutely crazy. Even, look, this is the power button. I mean, they normally have just a bit of straight plastic. The feet are like that. I had to remove feet to get access to the screws. Look at the amount of screws I removed. Well, I didn't have to remove that one there, but I did because I was curious as far as power supply, what's in there. As you see, the transformer is encased. Power filter is not that elaborate. And I removed another 4 screws to reveal the DAC. The DAC is, they call it DAC 7, it's TDA-1547, 2 of them. And, well, they got much better specs than TDA-1541, which is known to everybody. So, they've had a sort of big campaign to promote the DAC 7 or 1547. As you see, very good seal screening. This is already a newer unit with surface mount components, not high density, but still. While I'm here, I might push that down. There's no icy creep. Out there, you can see the output is, oh look, I go down to focus, hopefully not too far away. There it is. These are the balanced outputs. They go from there, and all that board there goes to the one of both really digital outputs. XLRs are not really the greatest quality. Those sockets maybe should be replaced. They're sort of oxidized. Maybe they were silver, and you know, the silver does oxidize, but the cleaning will do. So that there, you know, the stuff from the DAC goes there, or maybe goes from there to the DAC and then further on. I haven't really looked at that in any great detail. So it could be that the signal from the servo goes to the to those RCA connectors at the back, and then it goes to the DAC and further on. So it is extremely well built. This is CDM4 metal version. You know, standard Philips arrangement. I mean, look at the chassis. This is not some tin, but that's proper die-cast job. And of course, it's copper plated, so no expensive spare here. I'm not going to remove all this frivolity there because there was just too much work, and why, you know, do it? But you know, like some Sonys of yesteryear, they put even copper covers on regulators. Very well built machine, and I hope I can put it back together. We'll see. I'll if I do, and you know, I'll put it all back so you can see how magnificent it looks, because everything here is top quality. I'm trying to sort of find things. This is extremely heavy. This is like a top cover, a very, very heavy thing. Even side panels are substantial pieces of metal. No shortcuts on this unit. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.